All right, y'all, so there's several different ways to become a millionaire in business. In this video, I'm gonna share with you 2 simple ways to be able to do it. And one of them is gonna be more practical than the other. It's gonna be more feasible for everybody else than the other one is. The other one is gonna take a lot more effort. But I'm gonna share what that is. I'm gonna reveal it to you, and I'm gonna share with you how you can do this through real estate investing coming up. What's going on, everybody? It's Jamel Gibbs. Welcome to another video. In today's video, I wanted to share with you how you can become a millionaire real estate investor based off of your work ethic. You can literally become a millionaire with a little bit of effort within the next 24 months, right? That's about how long, on average, it will take you to make $1 million in real estate.
On paper.
So that's the difference right there. On paper. That doesn't necessarily mean that you're going to go out and make $1 million in cash within the next 24 months, even though that's possible. There's a small segment of you who have the ability to be able to go out and make $1 million in cash. Here's the deal. 2 ways to look at cash. I personally don't like to have access to more than a certain amount in the bank. To me, it's stupid to have over a certain amount of money. Money is meant to work for you, to make money. Each dollar that you have is a soldier that should be out there going to war for you. So by you keeping your money in the bank and saving the money, you're not helping the flow of the money continue to move in order to make you more money. It doesn't make sense to sit a whole bunch of money in the bank and live off the interest. You're never going to make a whole lot of money doing that. So my philosophy is, and for those of you who understand this process and who make a lot of money in real estate, you really need to be focusing on reinvesting your money, keeping the money moving. It's currency. Currency is meant to continue moving in order to be able to continue making. So to me, it's stupid to have $1 million in cash just to simply say, I'm a cash millionaire. It's much more beneficial to be a millionaire on paper and keep your money moving and keep cash flow coming in because of it. How do you do it? Understand what vehicle you want to use to be able to get there. In this video, we're talking about real estate investing. Think about how majority of millionaires and even billionaires made their money over the years. If you look at it, I forget what the statistic was, but majority of the people who made their money over the years made it through either technology or real estate. Most of us are not tech guys, right? But it's not hard for us at all to be able to become real estate investors. So focus on the vehicle, right? The vehicle in this case is real estate investing. So how do you use real estate to be able to become a millionaire on paper within the next 24 months? We can do it through creative investing. I wouldn't recommend using wholesaling to be able to do this. It takes too much work. But I would leverage the value of properties to be able to create that net worth for myself within a relatively short period of time. So again, you can control equity through creative investing. And we're talking about owner financing, wraparound mortgages, subject twos, et cetera, right? You control real estate that will allow you to bring in passive income that way, and you control the equity in the real estate by taking ownership of the property using creative means, or you can use what we call the BRRRR strategy. Great way to become a millionaire. This is how I was able to do it by the time I was 25. And, I was a millionaire on paper because I bought houses, I rehabbed houses, I refinanced houses, I rented houses, and then I repeated the entire process over and over and over again until I had over $1 million in equity by the time I was 25. So how does this look? Let's paint the picture for anyone, again, watching this. If you were to go out and you were to buy 20 houses over the next 2 years, and each house had $50,000 in equity in that house, guess what? You're a bona fide, certified, however you want to call it, you're a millionaire at that point. So the beautiful part about using the BRRRR method is you can literally purchase a property at 50 cents on a dollar and rehab that house and be all into the property at around 70 cents on a dollar. When you refi cash out, you can refi cash out at 80 cents on a dollar, meaning you can actually pull money out of the property tax-free and still have 20% equity in that property. Now, just to give you an example, I recently did a video on the burst strategy, and I talked about this one deal, and I'm going to use that deal as an example in this video. I was able to purchase a property that was worth $120,000. I was able to get that property under contract and purchase it for $60,000. The house only needed $15,000 in work. After all the fees and everything like that, I'll be all into the house at $80,000. So if I look at the difference between the $120,000 value and the $80,000 I'll be all into the property with, that's a $40,000 equity spread. If I did just 25 of those over the next 2 years, I've made $1 million in equity. That's basically how this works. Really easy. I don't have to kill myself. I could buy 12 houses a year, 1 house a month, and make sure that the house is rehabbed. I could refi cash out if I decided to. I could leave all of the equity in the property. Doesn't matter. I'm controlling large sums of equity in real estate just by buying houses at discounts. All right. So this is how you make $1 million in real estate. And I can go into a lot of detail on this. If you want me to go into a lot of detail on how you can literally go from where you are right now to making $1 million in the next 24 months, let me know. Becoming a millionaire in real estate is not hard at all, guys. It really is all in your mind. And once you're a millionaire on paper and you have $1 million in assets, you can then, if you decided to, build up the $1 million in cash from that point forward. But for me, again, it's not smart to hold on to $1 million in cash because you should always keep your money moving. Do me a favor, like this video, subscribe to this channel, click the notification bell. Hope you guys benefited from this information. Looking forward to talking to you guys on the next one. Peace.